Next, we will discuss about the source of the biomedical wastages or hospital wastages. What are there? Different types of sources are there. So in here, what are there? First one is the number one is the laboratories, from the laboratory, and the next one from animal houses, and the next one blood banks, and the next one medical research labs, research labs medical research labs, and the next one is the dispensaries, and the next one is the dentist clinics or dental clinics, and the next one physician clinics, and the next one is the private hospitals, from the private hospitals, and the next one is the government hospitals, nursing homes, the next one is slaughter houses. These are all are them. Then the next one mortuaries also. So these all are the sources of this particular biomedical wastages. So from this particular these are all are involved in the, it produces the biomedical wastages. So the biomedical wastages, it produces the health hazards also. What are their health hazards? So now we discuss about the health hazards of the biomedical wastages. Biomedical wastages, health hazards of the biomedical wastages. So different types of health hazards are occur with the particular biomedical wastages. What are they? First of all is it produces the injuries from the shops and healthcare personals and waste of the waste handlers also. So number one is the injuries from shops and as well as the healthcare personals, and as well as the waste handlers, and the next one, risk of the infection to risk of infections to medical, and as well as the nursing and other hospital staff also, risk of the infection to the particular risk of infection to the medical, nursing, as well as the other staff also. So risk. The next one, development of the resistant strains of the microorganisms also, development of microorganism strains also develop, like nowadays we discuss about the coronavirus strain, different types of strains are developed. So that one is the development of the different strains of the microorganisms. And the next one, and then organic portion ferments, and as well as the attracted by the fly breedings. So here organic portions organic portion fermenters means biomedical wastages, like human organs. The human organs, it's the fermenter at that moment, it is attracted by the fly breedings are attracted. And the next one, it is the increase in risk associated with the hazardous chemicals also, and drugs to person handling wastages also, that some chemicals also it produces the hazards. So means increases in risk with the hazardous chemicals, hazardous chemicals, and as well as the drugs also, not only chemical drugs to persons handling wastages also. And the next one, it is a poor waste management encourages at that moment it is the repacking and reselling, means the expiry date medicines, the expiry date ion or expiry date particular fluid medicines are the again repacking with the same medicine. That one is also it show the biomedical wastages. So poor waste management also, poor waste management, so he encourages them encourages to the repacking and reselling, repacking and reselling. And the next one, the poor waste management encourages the repacking and reselling. And then poor infection control, the nosocomial infections like HIV, hepatitis, these are all are the this one is also poor infection control also, infection control also, it produces the health hazards to the particular human bodies. And the next one, so how to management of this biomedical wastages, so how to manage the biomedical wastages, so steps involved in the by management of biomedical wastages. What are their management of biomedical wastages? Number one is survey of waste generations. First of all, good survey, done the good survey of waste management, waste generated. So the wastage is produced from the which area, which department? First of all, survey on this particular waste generations. And the next one, and segregation of the hospital waste also, segregation of hospital waste. And the next one, collection and categorization of the waste also, collection and categorization of wastages. So first of all, where it is located, the next one, identify this particular area, and the next one, collection, which category, we are already discussed about that total 10 types of 9 types of categories are there, which one category. The next one is a storage of waste, collection storage of it. So within only up to 48 hours only, storage of wastage up to 48 hours only. And the next one, transportation of waste to particular area, to only particular area. And the next one, treatment of waste also, treatment of waste means after transportation at the particular area to particular area, so transfer from the one area to another one area, that area is clean with the some chemicals, some disinfectants, some antiseptics are placed on particular area, storage area. So that is a treatment of wastages also. This is the management of this particular biomedical wastages. And the next one, different types of methods also, treatment in the wastages in the hospitals, different this is the management steps. And then is different types of methods also involved in there. What are their different types of methods? So first one is burning to ashes. First method is burning to ashes, burning to the ashes, that one is the first one. And autoclave treatment, we are already discussed about the autoclave treatment. And number 3 is the hydroclave treatment, and microwave treatment, microwave treatment. And number 5 is chemical, with the using of chemical disinfections. And the next one, land disposal, land disposal. These are all are the involved in the and maintain the some standard precautions also. Standard precautions. With the using of the standard precautions, these are all are maintain the hygienic conditions, regularly hand wash, and the regularly hand wash, and the next one hand cares and personal protective equipments, PPE kits, with the using of the PPE kits, and the next one hand cares. So these are all are the and the next one like with the using of the gloves, with the using of the gloves also. So these are all are the protected, and face mask, head mask. These are all are the it is the methods for the protection from the biomedical wastages also. So this is about our topic. If you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you.